Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell as well to support this channel. I really greatly appreciate it if you guys do. So for today's video, I'm doing a collaboration with Tijneyewear. They sent me really cute things and I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys and as well as a try on just to show you guys my first impressions of them. So if you guys are interested in this video, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's get right into today's video. They sent me a couple of things. So to start off, I'm going to do the unboxing of the glasses. They sent me one prescribed, one sunglasses, and one non-prescribed glasses that is trending right now. They've also sent me a pair of really cute hoop earrings that I will try on for you guys to see as well. Alright, and the last one that they sent me is their new line, Miraga. These are color prescribed contact lenses. I'm super excited to try these ones because I picked like a gray. And you know me guys, I love gray contact lenses. So these are the ones that I'm super excited to try on. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox all of them at once for you guys to see. And then I will try them all on for you guys. Alright guys, so the first item that I just tried on are these hoop earrings. Oh my god guys, they are so cute. I really like the dainty details on them, how it's like a little twist and it's like a cute gold. I feel like it's so cute on me. I personally really like these ones a lot, and I actually meaning to get some hoop earrings, but I couldn't find anything that I like, and these ones are actually very perfect for what I was actually looking for. So I'm really happy with these. Love them, guys. Alright guys, so the next one that I'm gonna be trying are these non-prescribed glasses. They are freaking cute. I love how they look like. The style is really my style, and I love how big they are. So let's go ahead and try these on. I love these ones so much. So yeah, you guys can definitely get these in prescribed as well, or with none, just for fun to wear around. But yeah, these are really cute. I love them so much. So the third item that I'm gonna try on are the prescribed ones. I'm also a fan of circle glasses. I feel like they're so cute. And I don't have any rose gold, so these are my first rose gold glasses. And they look freaking cute. Oh my god, I love them too. They're so cute, guys. I love how it's so like a light rose gold and it's like a matte color, and I feel it looks really good. The vision is perfect, it's right on spot. I'm -2 for both eyes, so it's looking really cute. I love them. So the last pair I'm gonna try on are these sunglasses. I have nothing like these. I don't have anything that's like a clear frame, so I selected this one and they look so nice. Usually I'm like a dark like color ones, but this is so freaking cute and stylish. So ooh, wow, it's so cute. So I think this will look really nice with like an outfit that's like neutral color tone, like a beige or like a, you know, a dark brown. I think this is really cute. I can't wait to use this in the summer, guys. Right now it's winter and I think this looks really cute. The tint is really nice too. Like it eases your eyes, and I really like these. Guys, so we're gonna be trying our last product now. Is from their new product line, Miraga. These are, as I mentioned, the contact prescribed color lenses. They're so pretty. I'm super excited to try this. So let's go ahead and open this up. This one, I picked the misty gray because I really like gray, and I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Alright guys, so I have the contact lens. I'm gonna zoom into it very close so you guys can see the color. So I just zoomed into my eye. What do you guys think about it? I personally like the color. So yeah, in my opinion, I feel like it looks natural. So I really like them, guys. It's funny, if I blink a lot, they kind of move a little bit, but that's how all contact lenses are. But they look so nice, guys. I love the little designs in them, and it makes it look natural, like it's blending with my natural eye color too. Guys, so that's it for today's video, guys. I really definitely 100% enjoy all of the products that they sent me today, and I feel like their product is super nice quality. Everything is packaged very well. Just their case is super nice. It's like a faux leather and it's very cute and like minimal. You know how we have those old traditional cases? I feel like those are very bulky, and this is very nice. I really like it with the one button thing. You can slide them out, and their overall packaging is so cute for the earrings and accessories. I really enjoy like their thank you card too. It's so cutely made. The color is adorable. I love this like dusty pink color that they've chosen. Everything is well done, and I really, really happy that I collaborated with them today. So for also the contact lens, I highly recommend them. They're super comfortable. They look very natural too, so they don't look scary like if you get like a gray. So I really appreciate that fact. Overall, my experience with Tijneyewear as well as Miraga has been a wonderful experience, and I'm so happy that I collaborated with them. And yeah, pretty much that's it for today's video, guys. If you do have any questions or comments or concerns or any, don't hesitate to leave me a comment below. I'll definitely get back to you guys on that. So that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.